This is verse 2. We're going to start off. Your right foot steps forward while your left hand goes out. So it's 1, 2. You go to this side, it goes 1, 2. These are kind of bigger steps. Okay, so it's 1, 2. Now this is called popping. We'll work on this later, but it's like you flex really quickly, so it looks like your muscles are like popping, like pop, pop. So you go 1, 2, and then you're gonna pop on your right first. So it's 3, 4, and it's like your leg goes up and stops, and your hand just like kind of like flex really fast and let go. So it's like 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay, and then 5 is like your right hand is out and your left hand is down. So it's 5, 6. Okay, so I'm going to do this side. So it's 1, 2, pop, 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 pop. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so and 7, you go left, right, turn, step back. I'll do it this side again. So it goes 1, 2, pop, 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 left, right, and turn. And then you can just put your leg back. Then while that happens, we're doing a formation thing, and you can go look on Facebook, but we're just basically going to do the wave, and we'll teach you that later. So we're going to skip that part right now. So this is the verse 2 so far. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those are the wave parts. As a group, we'll do that later. Okay, moving on. It goes. Your right hand goes out first. Goes out in front of you. And your left foot steps back. So it goes 1. Okay, so then this hand goes behind like that. So 1, 1, and then the other side, 2. So left foot first, right hand first. 1, 2. Okay. So I'll face you guys into it. It goes 1, 2, and then 3 is like you're drawing like a big circle thing in front of you, and your leg goes with it. So 3, like 3 and 4. So it's 3 and 4. We do that again. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So then it's left, left, right. If I do it this side, it goes left, left, right. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then this is more popping. So you go, your right hand goes up and your left hand goes down. It goes 5, and then you turn over, 6, and then you go to the front, 7. So if I do it this way, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, and 8, then you just step forward, and 8. Okay? So starting from verse 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and then this is more of these circle things. You kind of go lower and you kind of like bounce, and then when you go in, then your leg goes in with it. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We just stand here. Okay, so it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after this, we go straight into the bridge. So then you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so I'll just do the entire verse 2 for you guys. It goes 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it from the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.